Demonstration highlights Oro Technology's basic configuration by extending the 5.1 and 7.1 surround standards, guaranteeing you an immersive listening experience. You can use any model and brand of speaker for this setup, as long as they are direct radiating speakers. When you combine different types of speakers, use the same brand and preferably the same type to ensure a consistent tonality across the entire setup. If your home setup doesn't allow for full-size speakers in all positions, you can combine large and small speakers. Oro 9.1 is the minimum configuration needed for an immersive listening experience. For the ideal 9.1 setup, you position the center speaker and the subwoofer under the screen. Place the left and right speakers at 30 degrees from the center line of the listening position, and the left and right surround speakers at 110 degrees. Half of the distance between the left and right speakers is the ideal elevation to install the height speakers. For an optimal result, tilt them down in the direction of the listener. To extend this configuration to an Oro 10.1 setup, add a top speaker directly above the main listening position. Make sure it's pointing down. For an Oro 11.1 setup, add a height center speaker above the screen. If you want to extend the 9.1 setup to an Oro 11.1 setup based on the 7.1 surround standard, add two back speakers at 150 degrees from the center line of the listening position. And for extending to an Oro 13.1 setup, add a top and height center speaker. For all setups, ideally, the distance between each speaker and the main listening position is the same. Connect the